Give it a couple more seconds just in case. Hey everybody, and welcome to Robin's house. Today I'm working on a balloon festoon card workshop where every card is pretty much a 3D or some kind, and this one is a kind of a stair step card with a couple layers on there. So I just wanted to quickly show you how to create that. We've got our cheat sheet here, and we'll put this to the side. So I have my piece of pool party cardstock, and as usual, I like to do two kits or two cards at once. So I put it at the 3-inch mark. So what it is it's 3 inches up, 3 inches down again, 1 inch up and 1 inch down to get your stair steps going. So score it at 3 inches, move that line over to 3 inches again or to 6 inches. And score it, move it either to 7 or move that over to the 1 inch mark, score it again, and move it 1 more inch and cut it. Then I can turn it, cut it at 5.5 inches, cut it at 5.5 inches. And now what I have is my stair step card here. This is kind of the base, but then in order to get the other part, it doesn't have to be like this, but I do it at 3¼ inches because then my decoration can start at 3 inches. And then I'm going to score it. I'm going to score 1 at 4 inches. Then I'm going to move that line over to 3¾ and I'm going to cut it. So when I fold it, it's actually going to be a little bit longer than wide. One side, you can see in the thing, one side is longer than the other. And I did that on purpose. Which one did I do on the front? The longer one is the front panel, and the shorter one is the back panel. And I just did that so you'd know which one is the front panel. I'm not sure why, because it doesn't go all the way to the floor. You could probably cut it. You can cut the back longer, but I wouldn't cut the front longer because I want to see a little bit of this decoration underneath of it. And so that's the reason why this is 3¾ but this could probably get by with being 4¼ it's up to you, however you want to do it. But I wanted mine to be up a little bit, and it's just got something at the bottom. But anyway, that is how you create a stair step card with a panel in the front. And this is what the final one looks like. Here is the other one. And so this one is 3¼ inches wide. I have the front panel at 3¾ The front panel is at 4 inches and the back is at 3¾ I'm not really sure why. So I hope that was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.